Hey guys, welcome back to video 10. So in this video, we'll learn more about how to store multiple values using lists. Variables store one value, but lists store many. A list is a collection of values. This is how you create a list in Python, for example. You can access items using their position. You can change values in a list as well. You can add and remove items from a list. You can loop through lists to process all items. And lists come with useful built-in functions as well. This example creates a simple shopping list. Okay, now is the time to pause your video and create your own list. Try analyzing data like scores using lists, for example. So in conclusion, lists are essential for handling real data.